Hello everyone. Let's talk about social media. It's like a big, bustling online community. You can connect with family and friends. You can share photos and stories. It can be a little daunting at first, but don't worry, it's never too late to learn. Many seniors want to join this digital world. They see their grandchildren using it. They hear about all the fun things happening online, but sometimes it feels out of reach. This essay is here to help. We'll look at the challenges, and we'll give you the tools to succeed. Ready to jump in? Let's get started. Let's be honest, learning new technology can be tough, especially for seniors. The digital world is evolving at a rapid pace, and it can be overwhelming to keep up with all the changes. For many seniors, the challenge isn't just about learning new skills. It's about overcoming a lifetime of habits and adapting to a completely new way of doing things. Many training programs miss the mark. They use confusing jargon. They go too fast. They assume a level of prior knowledge that many seniors simply don't have. This can make the learning process not only difficult but also discouraging. When the instructions are filled with technical terms and the pace is too quick, it's easy to feel left behind. They don't cater to different learning styles. Everyone learns differently, and this is especially true for seniors. Some may prefer hands-on practice, while others might benefit from visual aids or step-by-step guides. Unfortunately, many training programs adopt a one-size-fits-all approach, which doesn't work for everyone. Imagine trying to learn a new language. It's a daunting task, right? Now, imagine that the teacher only speaks in technical terms, without any effort to simplify or explain the concepts in a way that makes sense to you. This is exactly how many seniors feel when they try to learn new technology. The language barrier is real, and it can make the entire process feel insurmountable. You would feel lost, right? This sense of being lost and overwhelmed is a common experience for many seniors. They want to learn, but the way the information is presented makes it incredibly difficult. That's how many seniors feel with current social media training. They are eager to connect with family and friends, to share photos and stay updated, but the training they receive doesn't equip them with the necessary skills. The materials are often too generic. They don't take into account the unique challenges that seniors face. For example, many seniors have never used a touchscreen before, and the concept can be completely foreign to them. They don't address the specific challenges seniors face. Each senior has their own set of difficulties, whether it's navigating a smartphone, understanding privacy settings, or simply using a mouse and keyboard, like using a touchscreen or understanding privacy settings. These are not trivial issues. They are fundamental to being able to use technology effectively and safely. This leaves seniors feeling frustrated. The frustration can lead to a sense of defeat, making them less likely to try again in the future. It's a vicious cycle that needs to be broken. It's time for a change. We need to rethink how we approach training for seniors. It should be about empowerment, not just instruction. Seniors should feel confident and capable, not confused and frustrated. Seniors deserve training that is tailored to their needs. This means creating programs that are flexible, patient, and understanding. Training that adapts to their pace and explains concepts in a way that makes sense to them. Training that is clear, engaging, and effective. When seniors receive the right kind of support, they can thrive in the digital world. They can stay connected, informed, and engaged, enjoying all the benefits that technology has to offer. So how can we make learning social media easier for seniors? The answer is simple. Create senior-friendly training programs. These programs should use simple language. They should explain things step by step. Visual aids are crucial. Think large fonts and clear diagrams. Accessibility is key. Classes should be offered in accessible locations. Online resources should be easy to navigate. And of course, ongoing support is essential. Imagine learning in a comfortable and supportive environment, with instructors who understand your needs. That's the goal. Let's face it, staring at a wall of text is boring, especially when you're learning something new. Visual aids can make all the difference. Think about road signs. They use simple pictures to convey important information. We can use the same principle for social media training. Instead of just talking about how to post a photo, show it. Use screenshots with arrows and highlights. Create short videos with clear demonstrations. Visual aids make learning more engaging. They help seniors grasp concepts faster, and they make the whole experience more enjoyable. Learning by doing hands-on practice for digital mastery. In today's digital age, mastering technology is not just about understanding concepts, it's about applying them in real-world scenarios. This section emphasizes the importance of hands-on practice for achieving digital mastery, especially for seniors who may be new to these technologies. You can't learn to ride a bike by just reading a book. The same principle applies to digital skills. Reading about how to use a tablet or navigate social media is not enough. You need to get on and practice. Just like riding a bike, using a tablet requires hands-on experience. The more you practice, the better you get. It's about building muscle memory and becoming familiar with the device. The same goes for social media. Hands-on practice is crucial. It's not just about knowing what buttons to press. It's about understanding the flow and interaction within the platform. This practical experience helps seniors feel more comfortable and less intimidated by the technology. It allows seniors to apply what they've learned in a real-world context. They can experiment with different features, make mistakes, and learn from them. This trial and error process is essential for mastering any new skill, and it helps them build confidence. As they become more proficient, their confidence grows, making them more likely to explore and use other digital tools and platforms. Training programs should include plenty of time for practice. It's not enough to just provide information. Seniors need opportunities to apply what they've learned in a supportive environment. Seniors can create mock profiles. This allows them to explore the platform without the fear of making mistakes that could affect their real accounts. They can practice posting updates and sharing photos. This helps them understand the nuances of social media interactions, such as tagging friends, using hashtags, and setting privacy settings. They can even try video calling a friend or family member. This not only helps them become comfortable with video calling apps, but also keeps them connected with loved ones, enhancing their social interactions. The more they practice, the more comfortable they'll become. Repetition is key to mastering any new skill, and digital literacy is no different. And soon, they'll be navigating the digital world with ease. With consistent practice and support, seniors can become proficient in using digital tools, opening up a world of opportunities for communication, entertainment, and information. Together we're stronger. The importance of peer support. Learning is always more fun with friends. Peer support is incredibly valuable for seniors learning social media. Imagine having a group of classmates to share your questions and successes with. You can help each other troubleshoot problems. You can celebrate each other's progress. Senior centers and community groups can play a vital role here. They can organize social media clubs or workshops. Learning together creates a sense of community. It reduces feelings of isolation, and it makes the whole experience more rewarding. Success stories, real seniors, real results. In this section, we delve into the inspiring journeys of seniors who have embraced the digital age with open arms and achieved remarkable results. Let's meet some amazing seniors who have conquered the digital world. These individuals have not only learned to use technology, but have also integrated it into their daily lives, enhancing their connections and enriching their experiences. Meet Margaret, a 72-year-old grandmother who learned to use social media to connect with her grandchildren across the country. Before discovering the wonders of technology, Margaret felt isolated and missed out on many family moments. She now video chats with them every week, sharing stories, laughter, and even helping them with their homework. Margaret's newfound skills have brought her closer to her family, making her feel more involved and cherished. And then there's John, a retired teacher who uses social media to stay in touch with former students and colleagues. John was initially hesitant about diving into the digital world, but with a bit of encouragement, he took the plunge. He even joined an online book club. This has allowed him to continue his passion for teaching and learning, engaging in stimulating discussions, and sharing his vast knowledge with others. John's story is a testament to the endless possibilities that technology offers. These stories prove that it's never too late to learn. Whether it's picking up a new hobby, reconnecting with loved ones, or simply staying informed, the digital world offers countless opportunities for growth and connection, and that the benefits of mastering social media are immense. From staying updated with the latest news to sharing precious moments with friends and family, the digital realm has something for everyone. These seniors are an inspiration to us all. They show us that with determination and a willingness to learn, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve great things, regardless of our age. They remind us that age is just a number. It's our spirit, curiosity, and drive that truly define us. By embracing technology, these seniors have opened up new worlds of possibilities and experiences, and that with the right support, anything is possible. Whether it's through community classes, online tutorials, or simply helping each other out, these seniors have shown that we can all thrive in the digital age. Their stories are a powerful reminder that learning and growth are lifelong journeys. Embrace the journey, enjoy the connections. Learning social media is a journey, not a race. There will be bumps along the way, but that's okay. The key is to approach it with a positive attitude. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Celebrate your small victories. Remember, the goal is not to become a tech expert overnight. It's to connect with loved ones, to explore new interests, to stay engaged with the world around you. So take a deep breath, embrace the challenge, and enjoy the ride.